Hello, PT student here studying for her ortho spine final tomorrow. I'm studying this most famously asked question of why do you hear a crack when you pop or crack your joints and stuff? Well, since I'm studying this anyways and I want to practice saying it out loud so that one day if I have to do patient education and stuff like that, I know it in my brain and then might as well record it so that other people can know. But basically, what happens is physical therapists we call these manipulations, which is when you do a quick movement to separate the joint. And so that opens up the joint space all of a sudden. So there's this rapid increase in volume, and according to Boyle's law, where there's an inverse relationship between volume and pressure, an increase in volume means a decrease in pressure. So now that there's all of a sudden low pressure, we know that gas likes to go from high to low pressure. And so within this joint of yours, there's also joint fluid. And so let's say there's carbon dioxide in fluid form also in your joint space. So this carbon dioxide that's in fluid form, some of it becomes gas, and then it gets attracted to this low pressure space that you created with your manipulation. So CO2 gas comes in the middle of the joint space and makes a bubble, a gas bubble. And then the joint fluid around it follows the CO2, and then the liquid comes into this bubble and then pops the bubble. And so that's your crack. And then after the crack, it takes 15 to 30 minutes to reabsorb the gas into the fluid. So that's why you don't feel it, or you can't crack your joints again after 15 to 30 minutes. Alrighty, I'm gonna go study the rest of everything for tomorrow.